everyone. My name is Jisa. I am grade 3 student at Tiranura School. I would like to introduce my family. My family has 4 members. It consists my father, my mother, my brother, and me. This is my father. His name is U. He has short hair. He likes to play football. This is my mother. Her name is Pui. She has curly hair. She likes to watch television. This is my brother. His name is Put. They are special to me. That's it all about them. Thank you.